The health benefits of garlic water for domesticated pigeons. 1. Pigeons have been domesticated and taken care of for over 10,000 years and were depicted in ancient Egyptian hieroglyphs. Keeping these wonderful animals healthy is extremely important to pigeon owners, especially for racing pigeons. 2. Garlic has long been used to promote health in many different animals, including humans. By feeding your birds with garlic water once per week, you can keep them happy and healthy. 3. Simply peel and crush 4 cloves of organic garlic and add them to your bird's regular water. Let this soak for at least 1 hour before giving the water to the pigeons. Remove the garlic after the first day and repeat twice per week. 4. This garlic water purifies the pigeon's blood and increases circulation very quickly. The pigeons become more healthy and active. 5. The compounds within the garlic naturally destroy viruses, parasites, worms, and unhealthy bacteria. 6. This stabilizes and clears up intestinal problems in the process, making the pigeon's droppings more firm and with a less foul smell. 7. It will also boost their immune system and make them more resistant to many health problems, also reducing discoloration of the beak. 8. To learn more about home remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.